dear students, welcome to all of you on BIVA Educo, your one-stop destination for complete online education. Myself, Professor Bedi, I am your physics mentor. I am here for preparing all of you for JEE-MAINS, NEET and your plus 2 boards examinations. So today I am discussing a very important topic with you all, which is a topic of simple harmonic motion. What is this topic? Like, have you observed the motion of a spring when some mass is attached to it? Suppose if you have not observed, ये आपने observe किया होगा हर किसी ने, the motion of the pendulum when the pendulum moves to and fro about a fixed point. Such kind of motions are called simple harmonic motion. Actually, simple harmonic motion is to and fro motion about a fixed point. To and fro motion about a fixed point is called what? Simple harmonic motion. There are so many practical examples of this kind of motion in our daily life. Today I am going to explain one of the very important example for all of you, जो कि competitive paper में बच्चों बहुत बार पूछी गई हुई है, which is like this. What is this? Wow, a person is oscillating about the center of earth to and fro. Surprised? क्या ये एक्चुअल में ही हो सकता है? नहीं, ये एक्चुअल में नहीं हो सकता, but it is an imaginary concept. It is mentioned in your NCERT book. If a ball, any object, a person is dropped in an imaginary tunnel which is along the diameter of earth, and when we drop this person, this object, what will happen? It will oscillate to and fro about the center of earth. Like this, if we have a U-tube and a viscous liquid is dropped in one of the limb, on pushing this, the liquid will rise up and then fall down. You are observing some part of the liquid is oscillating about this one level. Here we can calculate easily the time period of this oscillating liquid, but today I will derive for all of you the time period of this oscillating object. इस object का मुझे time period निकालना है, means our purpose is to calculate time period of oscillating object. ऑब्जेक्ट कहो, पर्सन कहो, हमें इस ऑब्जेक्ट का टाइम पीरियड, टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन, ये मुझे निकालना है. नाउ इफ, अगर हम ये सोचें, इफ वी सपोज एनी पॉइंट एट ए सर्टेन डेप्थ, at a certain depth d below top surface, अगर हम कोई पॉइंट ये सपोज कर लें, अगर हम कोई पॉइंट ये सपोज करें at a depth d, all of you know in the topic of gravitation, g will be equals to 1 minus d by r, where g is what? Acceleration due to gravity at the surface. D is what? Depth of that particular point from the top surface, and R is what? The radius of the earth. The radius of earth. Now what will be this? G R minus D divided by R. Okay. Now अगर मैं मेरे बच्चों इसको ये suppose करूं, suppose this is treated to be, और इसको मैं अर्थ आपको फील दूं ये अर्थ है और इसके अंदर मैंने एक छोटा सा पॉइंट डी डेप्थ पे इमेजिन किया. दिस इज से एट डेप्थ डी. दिस इज सेंटर. व्हाट विल बी दिस वन? This one will be r minus d. It is a point O. If I assume that this gap from the center is say y, then I can assign this value r minus d as g by r into y. It means what? G dash will be equal to gy by r. If I multiply both sides with m, which is the mass, now this is what? It is that particular force जो फोर्स इसको वापस लाने में हेल्पफुल है. हमने इस पॉइंट से इसको ऊपर ड्रैग किया बाय अमाउंट y और उस ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट उसको वापस ला रहा है. Such kind of force is called restoring force. It means the restoring force comes out to be what? mg by r into y. The basic condition of SHM, क्या होती है? Restoring force must be equal to k by. When we compare, this comes out to be k जो आएगा, that will be what? mg by r. Now the time period is generally given by 2 pi under root m by k. Earlier lectures में आपने पढ़ा है. अगर आपको earlier lecture चाहिए, sign in bivaeduco.com. Then 2 pi under root m by k. What is this one? 2 pi. This is m. K is what? mg by r. Then m gets deducted. Time period comes out to be how much? 2 pi root r by g. 2 pi root r by g. It means the time period of this oscillating object is this value. What is this by? This is 6.410 raised to power 3 meter, which is the radius of our 6400 kilometer. Then g is what? 9.8 meters per second square. The time comes out to be 84.6 minutes, or sometimes you can say approximately 1.4 hour. It means the person or any object which is oscillating about the center of Earth, that is having time period 84.6 minutes. उसको पूरी एक ऑसिलेशन के लिए 84.6 मिनट्स लगेंगे, पूरा एक चक्कर. If I assume this as point which is treated to be extreme point and this one is again extreme point, क्या नाम दूंगा इसको? Extreme positions. इसको क्या नाम दूंगा? Extreme position. Then what will be this? This will be treated as क्या? Mean position. At extreme position, the velocity of the object will be 0. Here it is 0. Here the acceleration of the object will be g. Here acceleration of object will be g. Here velocity will be maximum. Acceleration of the object will be what? 0. Notice किया आपने? एक पॉइंट ऐसा जिस पे वेलोसिटी क्या है? 0 but acceleration maximum. Velocity 0 but acceleration maximum. When we discuss this topic in very first chapter of kinematics, उसमें हम पढ़ते हैं the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Question आता है, can we have an acceleration even when velocity is 0? Yes. The best example is what? Simple harmonic motion. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे ये मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी, तो आंसर क्या होगा? maximum velocity is always given by r omega. What is omega? 2 pi by t. When you substitute time period here, 2 pi root r by g, the velocity comes out to be how much? Under root of rg, which is approximately 7.92 kilometers per second. It means अगर person 7.92 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड से अर्थ के सेंटर को क्रॉस करता है और एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट पे उसकी वेलोसिटी फिर से क्या? जीरो। एक्सेलरेशन उसको वापस लाएगा, फिर यहां पर वेलोसिटी जीरो, एक्सेलरेशन उसको वापस लाएगा। तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इलस्ट्रेशन फॉर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन। और ऐसे इलस्ट्रेशंस के लिए आप मेरे साथ ट्यून रहिए हमारे YouTube चैनल विच इज बीवा एजुको। हम यहां पर आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सिंप्लीफाइड टिप्स, शॉर्टकट टेक्निक्स, शॉर्टकट रिजल्ट्स, इसी सारे लेक्चर में आपने 4-5 लेक्चर्स, 4-5 पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो जज करनी है कि क्या वेलोसिटी, क्या एक्सेलरेशन, एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट पे क्या चीज, मीन पॉइंट पे क्या चीज। Hopefully this lecture is clear to all of you. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all.